Imagine unlocking the secrets of the world's most successful people. Tribe of Mentors by TIM FERRISS offers just that, a treasure trove of wisdom from over 100 luminaries, guiding you towards unparalleled success and growth. TIM FERRISS starts on an enlightening journey, conversing with over 100 luminaries. Each mentor, in their own unique way, shares pearls of wisdom about life's successes and the rich tapestry of personal fulfillment. Across this diverse landscape, common themes emerge vividly: balancing time, igniting creativity, following one's passion, and the art of building relationships resonate universally, offering lessons applicable across various facets of life. From tech giants to renowned artists, every mentor adds a distinct hue to the spectrum of success. Their stories, rich and diverse, enrich our understanding of what it means to achieve and thrive. Ferriss meticulously distills a toolkit for life's journey: effective goal setting, strategic decision-making, and embracing risks. These are practical guides for tangible transformations, equipping us with the means to enact meaningful changes in our lives. A mantra echoed throughout: embrace failure as a stepping stone to greater success. The mentors teach resilience, showing that setbacks are not just inevitable, but valuable lessons in the grand tapestry of life. The journey transcends external achievements, exploring the depths of personal growth, mindfulness, and the pursuit of happiness. It's a narrative about internal growth, about finding joy and resilience in the journey of life. A crucial lesson emerges: balance is key. True success is closely linked with maintaining health, nurturing relationships, and cultivating hobbies. Ferriss advocates a holistic approach, crafting a well-rounded, fulfilling life journey. Lifelong learning emerges as a core theme. Ferriss illustrates growth as an endless, enriching path. It's about constantly acquiring wisdom, embracing new experiences, and evolving both professionally and personally. Here are a couple of key takeaways. 1. Embrace the beauty of diverse perspectives for holistic personal and professional growth. 2. View failure not as a setback, but as a valuable teacher. Ferriss crafts a compelling guide for navigating life's multifaceted challenges. Tribe of Mentors is more than a collection of advice. It's a rich mosaic of life-changing lessons and insights. It inspires us to carve our unique paths, armed with wisdom from the world's most successful and insightful individuals.